Today I'm showing how technology evolves from the past to the future. My fossil is the public payphone. Years ago, payphones were main way people made calls outside their homes. But as smartphones became cheaper and almost everyone owned one, payphones quickly became unnecessary. Telcos stopped maintaining them and they disappeared from most public places. In short, payphones died because of the mobile adoption reached nearly 100%. Now for the Smart City IoT sensors. These are small connected devices placed around a city to collect real-time data. They can track traffic, monitor floods, measure air quality, and help manage energy and waste. The advantage is simple. Real-time data leads to smarter, faster decisions. Cities and companies that use IoT sensors can improve traffic, how increase safety, and manage resources more efficiently. So overall, payphones represent a past where communication was limited. IoT sensors represent a future where entire cities become intelligent and connected. Thank you.